2019, around 3.4 million Australians reported using an illicit drug in the last 12 months. The most commonly used and widespread illicit drug was cannabis. This was followed by ecstasy, then by the misuse of pharmaceuticals, and finally, cocaine. Young drug abuse peaks between the ages of 15 and 25. This period of adolescence is especially susceptible to illicit drug abuse and dependency, as drug abuse can prevent proper brain growth and development. In 2019, there were over 1,865 drug-induced deaths in Australia. 63% of these deaths were male and 37% were female, meaning around 2 out of 3 of the deaths were male. Frighteningly, 63% of these deaths were unintentional. Different drugs have different effects, but all can lead to serious health problems and may even be fatal. Some of these health issues include mental health. Drugs can cause short and long-term changes in the brain, which can lead to mental health problems including paranoia, depression, anxiety, and many other problems. There are also many financial issues, as the cost of drug addiction is extremely high for both society and the individual. Drug use can also lead to the deterioration of relationships. For instance, couples in which a partner abuses drugs are often unhappy. Use of illicit drugs also faces many legal penalties, such as fines, jail time, and the loss of child custody. Finally, drug use can also be fatal in situations such as an overdose. Addiction can be physical, mental, or social. People often use drugs because of peer pressure or a desire to fit in, but after a while, addiction can start to feel like a heavy burden. An inquiry question has been created to help guide the solution of this task. Should we decriminalise drugs to help young adults aged 15 to 25 make safer choices regarding drug use? Drug decriminalisation is not the same as legalisation. Decriminalisation is the removal of criminal penalties from drug law violations. However, selling and manufacturing drugs still carry criminal penalties. Drug decriminalisation is an often controversial solution due to its few possible implications. The rationale behind drug decriminalisation is that drug use should be treated as a health and social issue rather than a criminal or moral one. It can also reduce the damaging stigma and increase the likelihood of an individual seeking help. There are also new opportunities for drug users. However, many people are concerned decriminalisation sends mixed messages such as partial endorsement of drugs. People also fear individuals are more likely to experiment with drugs if they do not fear legal prosecution, creating an increase in first-time drug use.